Yes, good morning everyone. Good morning, Najath. Today's assembly is conducted by the UKG C students. I request the class teacher in charge of UKG C, Nushibha Ma'am, to start the assembly.
Good morning, Najath.
Okay. Good morning, Najath. Today's assembly is conducted by UKGC. Assembly attention, standard is attention. Here, I would like to welcome Fathimath Amna Farhim for prayer.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amna. Thank you so much. Next, I invite Amana P for pledge.
Good morning, Najath. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers. I shall respect and treat everyone with the courtesy. Country and all elders respect and treat everyone with the courtesy. To my country and all elders, all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you, Najath. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Amana. Now I request Hamda Fathima to give welcome speech.
Morning, Najath. I am very glad to welcome our respected principal, teacher, and my dear friend to this morning assembly. Welcome all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Hamda. Thank you so much. Now, quote for the day by Farhankhan CT.
Yes. Hi, friends. Good morning to all. Welcome me today with a warm smile. Thank God for bringing you thirst and the strength. Do not stress about things that you cannot control in life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Farhankhan. I invite me for thoughts for the day.
Hi, Najath. Today thoughts, yes. Today is the great day. Told learning something because today will never come again. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Fathima TP. Then I would like to welcome Rayan for speech.
Good morning. Principal, teachers, and all my friends. I would like to speak but it's oxygen. Today give us beautiful flowers. Selfie bringing rays. Let us all to selfies and like. Thank you all.
Thank you, Rayan. Next, I call upon Fadil Zayan for word for the day.
Hi, Najath, respected teacher, and my friends. Good morning, all of you. Today we will like to speak Then it is AID means help or support. Thank you, Wednesday.
Thank you, Fadil. Now, word of thanks by Muhammed Danish K.
Good morning to all. Here, I would like to use this golden chance to thank each and everyone who gathered here. It is my afternoon to express my gratitude to principal teachers and my dear friends for your active support and presence in our assembly. Thank you all. Next day.
Thank you, Danish K. Now, national anthem.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now, over to Principal Sir.
Thank you, Najath. Thank you, everyone. So it was nice assembly by UKGC. So cute. Yes, hope you have enjoyed this assembly. Right. So, dear friends, yesterday we finished our candidates debate. We are going to conduct our school leaders election, school head boy and head girl election on next Saturday. Right, day after tomorrow. Yes, I hope you are ready for the election. Yesterday in our NEMS info, we have provided the link for testing a vote. Did you test the vote? I hope you have tested the vote, right? Then, okay. Yes, the last day, I think in the last week, I have sent a video in our NEMS info. A little boy of ours, not our school, a little brother of our student in our school, UKGC, I think from Hamda Fathima's brother. I think he's here. Ahmed is here. Ahmed, are you there? Hamda Fathima. She presented welcome address today. Hamda Fathima, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, where is Ahmed? Can you please show Ahmed there?
It's not here. What? Yes, not here.
Okay, okay, no problem. I hope everybody has watched the video. It was cute. While she was practicing for the welcome address, Ahmed, her brother, he has not joined in our school, but he's a very little boy. And he was practicing it and he learned the welcome speech. It was very nice, right? Okay, right. So, dear friends of UKG, I hope you are fine today. So, dear friends, dear parents, we have started the parents meeting, and last week conducted the parents meeting for 10th class 10. Then today 4:30 p.m. we have the parents meeting of class 9. So, special information to the parents: when we are conducting the parents meeting, we request every parents to bring the children, the students also along with them in the parents meeting. So because it is a review meeting of the last month, then if you have any reviews, feedbacks, any suggestions, any complaints, you can just share the everything there in the meeting. Then we'll be setting up some plans also. And dear friends, we are going to start our PT1 examination also, periodical test 1 also in the next week. I mean, by the last week of this month, after Eid Mubarak, and we will start our PT1 examination for all the classes, and we'll be starting the PT1 examination for the classes from nine classes for 8, 9, and 10. Will start on Monday, 12th of July. For the other classes, we will be beginning only after the Eid. Then we will give you the detailed information in the group. Then another thing regarding the fees collection. So I request every parents, please do it as possible. And when you are making it online, make sure that you are sending the screenshot of the payment to the class teacher. So I hope you have enjoyed this assembly. It was a nice assembly conducted by the students of UKGC. I would like to thank everyone, especially the class teacher and the parents involved in giving the practice to the students. I think Ahmad is here. Ahmad, hello.
Asha.
How are you? Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikum salam. Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Okay, Hamda, please tell him to say that again. Welcome speech. Ahmad.
Good morning, Najath.
Hmm.
I am ready. Let's welcome our respected principal teachers. I'm ready first to this morning assembly. Welcome all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. So by the performance, so inshallah, that we will pray for you. Yes, thank you, Ahmad. Thank you, Hamza. Thank you, all parents and students involved in this assembly presented. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.